Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is John Zombro, coach of the Training Tribe, which is the Lifetime Athletes online group training and coaching platform. If you're interested in that sort of thing and you're not yet a member, just check us out at thelifetimeathlete.com/training tribe. Okay, this is member programming for the third week of June, and that's going to be beginning on June 14th. Usually in our third weeks, we do some intensification of training, as well as the occasional key performance indicator test. So that's what I'm going to go over today. And we're going to use the same workouts that you guys have been using and mastering, if I might say, all month. So without further ado, let's take a look at workout A. What we're doing in workout A is going to the field, any field, park, or playground, even backyard if you have a large enough one, and you're going to do your activation or prep work with the medicine ball. Do some agility work, including the hops and jumps. Then, where we're making the changes in all the workouts, I've bolded in the descriptions. And when you're working on your anaerobic power in workout A, we're going to actually take those 40-yard dashes, 4 of them done progressively, up to 90% of your maximum effort or speed. And so that's starting at 75%, then going 80, 85, 90% max. And that's a great way to test your power, some of your speed, and just how your training has been going. And my only suggestion would be just to be careful as you ante up during those dashes. Now, moving on to workout B, when we get to the trail option, and again, if you don't have a trail available, you can certainly use the same field or outdoor arena that you have at your disposal. So we're going to do some walking, but now with the stone lifts, you're only going to do front squats. However, you're going to use Gitter or rest pause technique, achieving 100 repetitions. So just work with that until you get that done. And now for your aerobic power, you're going to do your locomotion or ambulation any way that you prefer. So that's power walking, jogging, running, whatever you can do. But you're going to race yourself for a half mile to a mile and a half uphill, if available, while carrying your stone or medicine ball, if that's what you have. Finish up with a few of the stretches as we have been performing. And one thought, if you happen to have a gym available, whether it's yours or it's a commercial gym, and you can't get this workout done in the great outdoors, simply grab a weight of any type and carry it while you're walking uphill on the treadmill. Moving on to workout C, that's our track experience. This is going to have the same type of warm-up activities where you're using some tubing to activate the legs, as well as practicing your drills. Once you get to the locomotive enhancement, we're changing this up slightly. You're going to do your strides 4 times 100 meters, but then we're going to do 4 times 400 running. That's not jogging, it's not sprinting, it's in the middle, it's running. 400 meters is 1 lap of the track, and every time you finish, you perform 2 rounds of the stadium steps with your medicine ball in a carry position. Now, if you don't have stadium steps available, you can use any bench, chair, curb, stone, whatever's there that you can do step-ups on. So that's a great escalation of workload in this session. And what you're really trying to do is string together those 4 laps with excellence. And do feel free to take some breaks in there as needed, but not too much. So you'll run your lap, you might breathe for a few seconds, do your reps, catch your breath or a sip of water, get back out there and hit it again, because that's how power works. Now, finally, in the gym workout, where we're getting our iron supplementation or our gym nourishment with the patterns, you're going to do your iso holds to warm up. Then let's just have you perform 10 sets of 10 reps of the deadlift using dumbbell. So it's a moderate weight dumbbell. You can use any style. You can go from the ground, off blocks, use a Romanian or RDL method, all of which we've practiced, and just really work on grooving your hinge. Then, of course, you'll finish up with a little bit of that jump rope and walking or cycling. But those are the changes for this week. So you've noticed we've pared down some of the volume and complexity with the training, but we've also increased the focus, the effort, the intensity during those main or primary components. So you guys are doing great. I'm proud of you. Thanks for being a member of the training tribe. And if you have any questions at all, please hit me up on the T2 forum.